What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach from Dreamedia out here with Matt from Kaleidescape. And man, do we have a delight for you guys today. We are going to be checking out and discussing all the features on the brand new Kaleidescape Strato V all-in-one 4K Dolby Vision movie player. This is going to give you lossless audio and reference playback on your video. Absolutely insane product and a must-have item for every reference level home cinema build. I can't wait to get into all of the details after the intro. Let's go! All right, guys, welcome back. I can't tell you how excited I am to have Matt in the house. I really appreciate you meeting us out at this stunning Colorado home that we've recently finished and brought this brand new player with you. We're like kids in a candy store right now.
Great. Yeah.
I can't wait to hear all about it. I'm gonna put you on the spot, and I just want you to tell our audience what makes this new unit unique and why you guys brought it to market, because I feel like this has been a big ask for a long time.
Yeah, so this has been, kind of something that all of our customers or people that have been in AV for a long time have been asking for, right? Is Kaleidescape's awesome, but maybe it's a little too expensive. I can't afford it. And this piece brings us in at a $39.95 price point, something that everybody can kind of
under $4,000 retail.
Under $4,000 retail.
That's incredible.
That's it.
And this has the player and the hard drive in it.
It has a 1 terabyte solid state stick in it as well. So yeah, you will get a terabyte of storage on it. I'm averaging about 10 to 15 movies that are all 4K, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision titles as well.
Is that an SSD or HDD?
It's an SSD.
Ooh, so you guys put the good stuff in there.
That's it. So
nice.
I literally throw this in my backpack. I can take it. My family and I went on a cruise last month. I took it on the cruise for the kiddos.
Did you? That's awesome.
If you have an RV, you could take it on the road. So I mean, it's a perfect complement to anybody who wants the best in AV.
I love it.
Yeah.
All right, so tell me more.
Yep. So again, you are going to have Dolby Vision. Now the thing with this, $4,000 or $39.95, but we haven't, taken anything out of the player. You're still getting that reference video. You're still getting the lossless audio, fully uncompressed. So yeah, a couple of things that we've done is, again, the solid state, 1 terabyte unit. You do have Dolby Vision now. So again, we're not just for, home theater enthusiasts. We're for that person that maybe they just have a nice living room like these folks here, 65 inch, or maybe they're doing an 85 inch or 100 inch or a video wall. Now we can get in there at a more reasonable price point.
Yeah, I love it. It's a good starting place. If you've never had a Kaleidescape system before, this will get you into the ecosystem and it'll make you fall in love with the system. I mean, your UI is second to none. That's really what has sold me on it, is the app interface and the movie store is phenomenal. And we're gonna show some examples in a detailed video of that in upcoming videos. But keep in mind, guys, correct me if I'm wrong, Matt, you can also purchase this and still tap into, say if we had a big rack on an existing home and we had a massive hard drive, a Kaleidescape server in the rack, you could still access that full collection with this player, correct?
Correct, yeah, it'll add right into your current existing system and just act as a player, and then bypass that 1 terabyte of storage inside. Yep, and that's the other thing, right? You still have, the convenience of streaming here, but with the quality of Kaleidescape, right? So that's the nice thing about Kaleidescape. I will tell you that on the back, you do have a nice Ethernet port here. So I am getting, downloading movies in about, 10 minutes at my home there in Texas with 1 gig AT&T. So real nice. It also has the USB on it as well. So if you do, any of our Kaleidescape disc to digital, you take advantage of that. You've got that on this unit as well.
Nice. I don't believe this was on the previous models either. You guys did a little IR in?
Little IR in. The other thing we added is your optical and a ground loop as well.
I see that.
For those audio files you want to connect.
Yes.
So I do actually
right here.
Yep.
Nice.
So I actually have a lot of clients that have 2-channel systems, and
yes,
they're just using this unit for our concerts.
I do love how you guys have a network connection on here, ensuring that we're getting the absolute best speed coming into the unit. Let's talk about this HDMI port. Is this DHCP 2.3?
2.2.
2.2.
Yep.
Okay, and is it past HDMI 2.1?
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so we have our network. We have a HDMI 2.1 port, ensuring that you're getting the absolute best video output. Digital audio. We have coax as well as optical outputs. This can be really nice in case, say, you had an older system. Maybe you have an AVR that's existing, a really nice quality AVR, or an older two-channel system that you want to bring the audio into.
Yep.
You can still take the absolute best quality video out of the Kaleidescape into, say, your brand new OLED.
Yep.
To ensure that you're passing through your 4K 60 Dolby Vision, no problem. And then instead of going through the AVR, send the audio separately as an input to the AVR.
Well, and that's one of the big things that's changed as well, is now the player is doing all the decoding.
I see. Very nice.
Yep.
Then we have USB, we have the IRN, the 12 volt, as well as the grounding, and then a service port. Cool.
Yep.
Pretty
so same
simple.
size as the old Strato C player, but again with the convenience of having that built-in storage.
I love that you guys have an SSD too. You didn't cheap out on that.
Yep.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Great starting price point, incredible unit. You guys know that we're huge Kaleidescape fans here at Dreamedia. Any high quality home theater or even audio video living room formal setup like what you see here in Colorado, you want to ensure that you're getting the absolute best quality audio and best quality video, and there is no better choice than Kaleidescape.
That's right. Yep. And not only that, but again, everything's stored locally. So if the network goes down here at the house in Colorado, or again you don't have service on the road with you, you've got everything at the touch of your fingers. So
that's the key with us here at Dreamedia, now that we've expanded into the smart home market in addition to home theaters, is reliability. We're putting a lot of emphasis on things like battery backup, internet redundancies, adding in like Starlink as a backup, putting in auto reboot features, just doing everything we can to ensure that when you sit down to watch your content, it just works.
It just works.
It just works.
Yep.
It should be that simple, and sometimes it's not with technology.
That's it.
So we're on a journey here at Dreamedia to up the game. We want to raise the bar and really deliver 5-star service. If you guys would like to purchase this product, we are honored to be your online go-to store. You can purchase right through the store, or I highly recommend you call and speak with a specialist. Schedule a free video consultation. We don't only sell Kaleidescape, we sell every single thing that you need for your home theater or smart home. We really like to get hands-on with our system designs, take the time to walk through your house in a video consultation, and hand curate a package that fits your exact needs and budget. All right, Matt, well, thank you for bringing this product out to us today. I'm very grateful. I can't wait to see some of these going into the field. If you guys would like to purchase, reach out today. All right. Well,
hey, thanks for having me. Appreciate you guys. You guys have been an amazing partner for us. The other thing I would like to say is, if you are interested in getting one of these, you can also go to Kaleidescape's website, where you'll actually see Dreamedia as one of our preferred partners.
Yes, we're very grateful that Kaleidescape supports us, and we're grateful to everybody around the country. We're very blessed. We can't do it without you guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase this, give us a ring. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia, out here with Matt from Kaleidescape.
Get it.
We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.